Hi, my name is Vanessa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use CeraVe's Hydrating Cleanser. This is your gentle, non-foaming, water-based cleanser which is suitable for normal to dry skin types. It is also fragrance-free and you can use it daily in the morning and or evening to properly wash your face, as it helps to effectively remove excess oil, dirt, sweat, water-soluble sunscreen and makeup without stripping away the skin's natural oils and leaving the skin hydrated and soft afterwards. Now you can wash your face above the sink with this cleanser. This is what I'm about to share with you. But you can also take it with you in the shower and then follow the same steps that I'm about to demonstrate. So it won't change, doesn't matter where you are going to do it. Just remember to always use lukewarm water to warm water. This would be ideal, as it feels more comfortable on the skin and it helps the cleanser to work more effectively. Now, cold water isn't wrong either. It may not feel as comfortable, but make sure to avoid hot water, otherwise it can dry out your skin, and this is what we are trying to avoid. Now the first step that you're going to do is wetting your face, as the cleanser needs to be applied to wet skin, so let's do this. Then take your cleanser and dispense about 1 to 2 palms onto the palm of your hand or fingertips. Then rub your hands together and massage it all over your face and neck for about 30 to 60 seconds, including around your eyes and on top of your lip. Just make sure to not get it into your eyes, nor into your mouth. Now rinse it off. When washing your face above the sink, you usually have troubles to properly remove the cleanser, sunscreen and or makeup from the skin, because using your hands alone aren't usually enough. This is where I recommend using a soft washcloth. This can be a microfiber cloth, also known as a makeup washcloth. Just make sure that it is a clean one. And you're going to wet it, then squeeze it out, and then use the damp washcloth to remove any last traces of your cleanser, sunscreen and or makeup that you may have missed. Then I recommend rinsing again. And now take a clean towel and gently pat all over to pat the skin dry. Once you're done with your cleansing step, you can stop right here and leave it as it is, or continue with your usual morning or evening skincare routine. However, if you're currently trying to set up a skincare routine yourself and you feel confused about the order of application, I now want to share with you an example routine of what it can look like to go over the order of application, but I'm going to keep my main focus towards CeraVe products. It could also be replaced with other products, but it won't change on how you would use the individual products. Just remember to choose the right ones for your skin type and skin concerns. Now the example morning skincare routine looks like this, starting off with properly washing your face using CeraVe's Hydrating Cleanser, as I've just demonstrated. After that, you can include an hydrating and soothing toner as your next step. Then move on to your specific serum or treatment which is suitable for your skin concern. And then, if you should feel the need, follow on with a moisturizer. And then lastly, don't forget to properly apply your sunscreen evenly all over to protect the skin from any sun damage. And if you're a person that likes to wear makeup, let your sunscreen set for 10 to 15 minutes and then move on to your makeup application. As for the evening skincare routine, the setup can look pretty much the same, just without your sunscreen step. So again, remember to properly wash your face, then move on to your toner. I've changed right here the treatment, as you can see, so that you can see a proper example morning and evening skincare routine. And then lastly, follow on with your moisturizer. If you should have used a stubborn mineral sunscreen or waterproof makeup, CeraVe's Hydrating Cleanser isn't strong enough to properly break it all down. This is where I recommend using an oil or balm cleanser at first. For example, CeraVe's Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm, and then move on to the Hydrating Cleanser to do a proper double cleanse if needed. And then for the rest, continue with your skincare routine. And then there you have it. Below the example routines, you see the general guide of how you can use the individual products. Now, if you want to recreate this routine at home or you want to go over it in your own time, you'll find it in a PowerPoint. And after the example routines, you'll find the description box part, which lists all the products that I have emphasized in my example routines, for whom they are suitable and what they specifically do. Then after that, you'll find the general skincare tips guide on how you can do a proper patch test, the difference between wet, damp and dry skin, how you can avoid skincare peeling, and in general some layering tips, and a proper sunscreen application and removal guide. It's all in a PowerPoint, which I'm going to leave in the description box down below, and you can save it to your device. Now, I do hope that you enjoyed this video and that you find it helpful. If you did so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And for more educational content, head on to my YouTube channel and I will see you there. Happy skincaring!